Are you trying to decode a certificate signing West using Bouncy Castle and C number? It can be a bit tricky, especially when documentation is scarce, but don't worry, you are in the right place. Today we're going to unravel this mystery together. I totally understand your frustration. Many developers face challenges Mandy Vespin or Faris. Let's dive into your specific question. You mentioned that you are trying to decode a CSR and encountering an I/O exception. You also shared your code snippet where you are calling the Decode CSR method. Let's break this down and find out what's going wrong. The issue you are facing often arises from incorrect encryptation or formatting of the CSRs string. Bouncy Castle expects the input to be in a specific format, and if it encounters something unexpected, it throws an exception. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll not only decode your CSRs, but also gain insights into other cryptographic concepts. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. To decode a certificate signing West, or CSR, the user needs to ensure that the input string is correctly formatted. The CSR then must include the proper header and footer. Next, the user should convert the CSR string into a byte array. This is crucial because the Bouncy Castle library requires the CSR to be in byte format for decoding. Now the user can create an instance of the p-case10 circuitation request class using the byte array. This step is essential for decoding the CSR. Finally, the user should handle any exceptions that may arise during the decoding process. This will help identify issues, such as incorrect formatting or... Fun fact, the Bouncy Castle library is named after a famous Australian band. Just like music, coding can sometimes hit a wrong note, but with practice you'll find your rhythm. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to decoding a CSR with Bouncy Castle and C number involves a few key steps. First, you need to remove the header and footer lines from the CSR. Then convert the remaining base 64 characters into a byte array. Finally, pass this byte array to the PKCS10 certification request. When this code is executed, it successfully prints out the subject name from the CSR, demonstrating that the decoding process works correctly. Here is a pro tip. Always validate your input data before processing it. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these tips, you should be able to decode your CSRs successfully. Remember, coding is a journey, and every challenge is an opportunity to learn. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more insights and tips.